sweet. He danced by a duck and leaped past a lamb. He juggled some raisins and laughed with a wham. A horse gave a neigh, a pig gave a grunt, but Gingerbread dashed with a cookie front stunt. La 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 la. Then came a fox with a clever old grin. Hop on my back, I'll help you win. But the river was wide and sly was the plan, so the fox took a bite. Oh, Gingerbread Man! Now in the kitchen where stories are told, a new batch is baking, sweet and bold. Will they run too? Yes, catch them if you can. They're cousins of the daring Gingerbread Man.